Today, we are going to discuss the different pathways available to demonstrate basic skills for teacher certification candidates. You'll find this information on the PDE website by hovering on the word Educators at the top of the homepage and then clicking on Certification from the drop-down box. From the next page, you will click on the blue box, Certification Testing Requirements. On this page, we're going to concentrate on the link Pathways to Demonstrate Basic Skills for Teacher Certification Candidates. Before we begin, we want to inform you that the basic skills assessments are not required for educators who hold a master's or higher level degree or post-bac certification program completers. Pennsylvania undergraduate certification candidates must pass the basic skills assessments in math, reading, and writing prior to formal admission into a program. PDE has developed different options to better assist candidates in successfully demonstrating the basic skills. Over the next few minutes, we will be discussing these options, so let's begin. Before we even review the current basic skills tests, be aware that the SAT or ACT tests that you already have taken may be accepted toward the requirement. Throughout the years, these tests have been scored differently dependent on the version of tests you completed at that time. You will need to refer to the Certification Test and Score Requirements chart on the PDE website for more information on the required test score for the time frame you completed the tests. SAT and ACT test scores cannot be submitted to PDE electronically from the testing agency. Your program provider must either report the test details in the comments section of the TIMS program recommendation screen, or the applicant must submit a paper copy of their test scores in the testing agency's sealed envelope. If you completed the discontinued Basic Skills Series, Praxis PPSTs, before December 31st, 2013, these tests can still be accepted toward the basic skills requirements. And then we get to the current Basic Skills Series, in which you have a choice of either the Pre-Professional Academic Performance Assessments that are known as PAPA, Reading, Writing, and Mathematics, administered through Pearson, or the Core Reading, Writing, and Mathematics, administered through ETS. The scores need to be submitted directly to PDE electronically for the PPSTs, PAPA, or Core. If you have not taken these tests in Pennsylvania, you will need to contact the appropriate testing agency and request that the scores are submitted to PDE electronically before applying for certification. PDE has determined that a candidate who does not have to complete all three of the required basic skills tests in the same testing series. A candidate can mix and match from the different options previously discussed. To simplify this process, we have provided a composite score calculator on the PDE website. And as a final option, if you have not successfully passed a basic skills math test, either the PAPA, Core, ACT, or SAT, is the completion of a PDE-approved math coursework. The math courses are available as an option through some of the PDE program providers. Refer back to your PA state-approved program provider for more information on this option. Please note that the previously mentioned mix and match test score option cannot be used when taking advantage of the math coursework versus the math test. We hope the information that you've received today has been helpful in understanding the different options available to you for the basic skills requirement. Have a good day.